channel. I have orange hair and I'm so excited. And I did orange brows and I'm so excited about that. Give me 1 second. Sorry, there was loud noises in the other room. Anyway, I actually just washed the orange out of my hair. Might go through it later with one more layer of the dye, but I really like it. I used Porange from Arctic Fox. I love Arctic Fox hair color. So I think I was expecting a little bit more of like the neon orangeness on my brows, but now I'm realizing if I wanted like a brighter orange, I probably should have gotten the sunset orange. Sorry, my lids are super stained, so I'm trying to cover that up. So, I'm finally back to a, I guess, semi-normal uploading schedule. Oh, today we're gonna use the Alien palette and the blood sugar palette. These two. I wanted to play with them at the same time and see if there's like any differences in the formula, which one I liked better, because the Alien, for like, since I got it for Christmas, was my #1 palette. So I'm gonna start out with Abduction, and I feel like I could do some really cool color combos with these two palettes because they're both cool tones, but they both have very different color stories. But I feel like there's some really cool possibilities using both of these palettes together. So we're gonna explore that today, boys and girls. I'm just gonna build up that green in kind of a wing shape. We're getting there. This color, because it is so light, it's supposed to be like a neon green, it can definitely take a minute to build up. But that's not like a big thing. So now I'm gonna take this brush. It's like it's a smaller version of the one that I used for the grain. We'll just say that. It's a smaller, a bit more packed. And I'm going to take, Flying Saucer, the like grassy green color, and I'm going to put that in the crease just to darken it up a little bit. Not a whole lot because I really want that neon to pull through. Sorry, I'm trying to keep my mirror on. You know what? I'm just going to use a smaller mirror. There we go, that's much easier. We're just going to make sure that color is there, but I don't want it to be super dark. And we're gonna go back into Abduction and make sure my lines are clean and blended. There we go. Oh, that wasn't pretty. I shouldn't have tried to sing right there. I am so sorry. So now, I'm going to take my concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me because I have not gotten a chance to get my hands on the Jeffree Star concealer. But, if I can find it, I do have the Jeffree Star setting powder. I got it in shade Translucent because I am a ghost. But yeah, and I have never felt so good about my skin after doing my makeup. Like, that powder blurs. It makes your skin look so good. 100% highly recommend. 10 out of 10. Like, it's so good, you guys. And I know, like, that just sounds like something I'd say because I am a big Jeffree Star fan. I love his products. Obviously, I use them all the time. But for serious, the powder's phenomenal. Sorry, I've got allergies. We've had crazy rain. And it sucks because my sister, my brother-in-law, my husband, and I were all planning to go to the coast this weekend. My husband and my brother-in-law wanted to go fishing. My sister and I just want to not be at home for a minute. I don't know. But we find out that the weather is supposed to be horrendous. Like, really, really bad weather. So we're not going. And it's sad. We're gonna start building the shade Ocean Ice from the Blue Blood. Sorry, I didn't show you. We're gonna start building that up. Just starting up by the crease because we're going to be doing something a little different with our cut crease this time. Wanted to do something a little more creative. So we pull it the full way through at the top, and then we're going to start right here in the center and start adding that to the inner portion. Don't worry, it's not gonna look this messy whenever we're done. Alright, we've got that part. Then we're going to take our concealer and our crease cutting brush one more time. And that blank space, we're going to clean up the line right in there. Because we're going to be putting another color in that space. Hard to do this with one eyeball. There we go. And just wing that up right next to the blue. So now we have that shape. We're gonna take our shimmer brush again. Just gonna wipe it off on my pants because I don't care about these. And we're going to go into shade Alien from the Alien palette. And we're going to try not to drop things and break things. Close the wrong eye. We're just going to start packing that color right in where we put that concealer. Oh, I messed up the blue. We knew. Oh! And now I'm dropping things. Pretty sure I just like flung that brush all the way across the room. So I'm gonna use a different brush now. Let's take a little bitty detailed brush and go back and make sure your lines are sharp. I don't understand how beauty gurus get perfect cut creases on the first try. It doesn't make any sense. Pretty sure they use witchcraft. And like if your shape isn't where you want it, like when you close your eye and you don't like how it looks, you can always move lines, lift lines, reshape things. There. I feel like that looks a little better. Oh no. I can't get the tape. Okay. Okay, buddy. Baby, yes. Okay. Sorry. My kid just woke up from his nap. Alright, so there's our general shape that we've got going. I'm going to go do the other eye, my face, and then I will be back. Alright, so I've done my face and the other eye, and I'm about to do my powder, but like I want to show you guys how amazing this powder is. I have a cat hair on my face, so I can feel it. Ah. Where's my powder brush? There it is. Alright, I'm going to take my powder brush. It smells like cotton candy, and it smells so good. And you can already start seeing a difference. Like, it basically makes my pores disappear, which has been, like, my pores are ginormous. It's like one of my least favorite things about my skin. So being able to find a powder that basically makes them go away has been amazing. My freckles wore off already, so I did foundation and the whole shebang. Alright, I'm gonna go finish my face. Alright, so our face is done. I'm losing my brushes and my sanity. That's the one that I want. We're gonna go into Alien Palette, back into Flying Saucer. I'm just gonna pack this right under that lower lash line. Really don't want to take this color too low. Ow, I got it in my eyeball. There's another brush. Yes. We're going to take the bigger version of that brush and go back into Abduction. And with this shade, you kind of have to press before you try to blend, just because it is so light. What is that face? My sister's making a face, and I don't know what it is. She's probably judging me. Oh, no, she just wanted to use my powder. She just wanted something from me, that's all. It's okay, I told her she had complete access to my makeup. Even my Jeffree Star. Because that's honestly pretty much all we use.
Where's my...
Your what?
brush?
Which one?
Short, stocky. This one.
That one? And now, we're gonna take a teeny tiny brush. Where'd Blue Blood go? I wasn't done with that.
I didn't want to, like, drop it.
I really don't want you to drop it.
Well, then appreciate it.
I appreciate you. I'm gonna take a very small brush. And we're going to put the shade Undertaker as close to the lash line as we can. Like, basically get it inside the lashes. Just to darken up under the eye. A little bit more. Ow. I keep getting it in my eyeball. Oh, God. That hurt. That hurt my eyes. Okay. So then we're going to take a little pencil brush. Am I going to spray it? I'm going to go into Cullinan from Blue Blood. It's the white shimmer. And I'm just going to pack that in the inner corner and bring it in. Back in the inner corner. And bring it in. This look is crazy. Icky dicky. Oh, now I have to do eyelashes. Well, mascara. Do I have my eyelashes? I thought I put them back in the little thing. Oh, nope, there they are. I have lashes, everybody. But I'm gonna do these off camera so you don't see my struggle. Alrighty, so this is the finished look. On the lips, I use the Wet n Wild in Terrifying Tangerine. And then I put this Revlon gloss on top of it. Ultra HD Lip Lacquer in Sunstone. I think this color is so pretty. And I love the applicator. It's not a doe foot. It's like an actual brush. It's really neat. Here, let me do this. Look how pretty that is. Ugh, I love it. Alright, so this is the finished look. In regards to Blue Blood and Alien, I don't see a whole lot of difference in formula because those are the two palettes that are closest together on the timeline. And I can't pick a favorite. Like, they're both so good. Alien has, like, one of my favorite color stories of any palette that I own. And Blue Blood is just so pretty. So, I don't know. I don't think I'd be able to pick a favorite. But yeah, here's my finished look. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you did like the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment of what you would like to see. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and then click the little bell to get a notification every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys next time.